Demystifying Capital Markets, a Beginner's Guide. Introduction. Welcome to Demystifying Capital Markets, a Beginner's Guide. In this short book, we'll embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of capital markets, providing you with a foundational understanding of the key concepts and principles. Whether you're a novice investor or simply curious about how the financial world works, this guide is designed to make the complexities of capital markets accessible and comprehensible. Chapter 1. The Basics of Capital Markets. In this chapter, we'll explore what capital markets are and why they are crucial to the global economy. From primary and secondary markets to the role of various participants, you'll gain insights into the fundamental structures that underpin capital markets. Chapter 2. Financial Instruments Decoded. Dive into the world of financial instruments, from stocks and bonds to derivatives. We'll demystify these instruments, explaining how they work, their risk factors, and the potential rewards they offer to investors. Chapter 3. Market Structures and Key Players. Understand the different market structures, including traditional exchanges and emerging digital platforms. Learn about the roles played by investors, issuers, brokers, and regulators in shaping the dynamics of capital markets. Chapter 4. Investment Strategies for Success. Discover various investment strategies tailored to different risk appetites and financial goals. From value investing to growth strategies, this chapter will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions in the dynamic world of capital markets. Chapter 5. Risk Management Essentials. Delve into the importance of risk management in capital markets. Explore strategies such as diversification, asset allocation, and hedging to mitigate risks and protect your investment portfolio. Chapter 6. Reading Market Trends. Uncover the secrets of reading market trends and understanding economic indicators. Whether it's a bull or bear market, we'll discuss how to navigate these trends and position yourself for success. Chapter 7. The Impact of Technology. Explore how technological innovations, from blockchain to algorithmic trading, are reshaping capital markets. Understand the opportunities and challenges presented by these advancements. Conclusion. Your journey begins. As we conclude our journey through the basics of capital markets, remember that this is just the beginning. Armed with this foundational knowledge, you're better prepared to navigate the exciting and dynamic world of finance. Continue learning, stay curious, and let your journey in the world of capital markets unfold. Appendix. Resources for further learning. Explore a curated list of books, websites, and online courses to deepen your understanding of capital markets and continue your learning journey.